Hello children, welcome to science class. Today we are going to discuss about terrestrial animals and their adaptations. So what are terrestrial animals? Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. What are terrestrial animals? Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Example: lion, tiger, cow, buffalo, polar bear, kangaroo, camel. These are examples of terrestrial animals. Okay children. So what are the general common adaptations of the terrestrial animals? If you observe the animals such as buffaloes, they have horns on the head. Have you ever observed? Animals such as buffaloes, they have horns on the head. So these horns are helpful to protect from enemies. Okay children? And next one, if you observe the animals such as tortoise, they have a hard covering. So that hard covering is known as shell. So animals such as tortoise, they have hard coverings called shell. So these are helpful to protect the enemies. If you throw any stone or if you touch on the shell, then the tortoise, it go inside the shell. So this is one of the adaptation of terrestrial animals. And not only these animals, some of the animals, they live in polar regions and deserts. So what are polar regions? The areas which are around the North Pole and South Pole, or the areas which are around the Arctic and Antarctic regions are known as polar regions. So some of the animals, they live in polar regions and deserts which have extreme climatic conditions. So these animals, they have some special features. So now we will discuss about the animals that live in polar regions and their adaptations. Do you know children which animals live in polar regions? Polar bear, Arctic fox, muskox, ptarmigan, penguin. These are some of the animals which live in polar regions. What are the animals? Polar bear, Arctic fox, muskox, ptarmigan, penguin. These are the some of the animals which live in polar regions. So these animals, they have some special adaptations. So what are the special adaptations? So first one, if you observe the animals such as polar bear, animals which live in polar regions, their body is covered with the long thick fur. That is the first adaptation. Animals which live in polar regions, their body is covered with the long thick fur. So what is meant by fur? Short and soft hair which is present on body of animals is known as fur. So this long thick fur is help to that animals to keep their body warm. So we know that these polar regions, they are very cold places. So to keep their body warm, they have long and thick fur. And next one, so if you observe the birds which live in polar regions, such as ptarmigan and penguin. Ptarmigan and penguin, these birds, they have dense feather. So these feathers are helpful to keep their body warm. And next one, during winter season, animals such as polar bears, they go into caves and they hibernate. What is that one? Hibernate. What is meant by hibernate? To go into deep sleep-like state. So during winter, to escape from the cold climatic condition, some of the animals such as polar bear, they go into the caves and they hibernate. They sleep for months, 6 months, 3 months like that. So that type of state is known as hibernate. 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 Okay children, so why do they hibernate? To escape from the cold climatic conditions. So these are some of the adaptations of animals which live in polar regions. Okay children, thank you.